Today's video is on top reasons why people start their own businesses in Africa. Hello Pundits, welcome to another episode of Building Successful Businesses in Africa. When it comes to business, the biggest reason why most people don't dare to start a business is that the failure rate is very high, 90% or more. That's according to most studies. People are not stupid this time. If you think people don't read about these things, you are probably still in the Stone Age. People don't dare to start a business because of the high risk included. But there's more to this than just the risk. And that's what we are going to share with you in today's video. Before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tips to boost your entrepreneurship lifestyle. Number 1. One could say I don't have any ideas. Well, there's nothing new. People are just emulating ideas. It's normal to use someone else's idea if you don't have any. Some people have big ideas but can't market them or implement them properly. What are you waiting for? Do better SWOT analysis and implement it. You can quickly test the idea. There are social networks, conferences, and in-person meetings where you can see if the world is ready for the idea or not. Don't assume anything yet. You might be wrong. Get proof from researching from these people. Are you out there talking with people? How do they respond? Do you have evidence that people aren't ready, or are you just making it up? These are always better options that you can chip in. Number 2. Lack of capital. I'm not going to lie to you. It's often helpful to have enough money to start your business. But don't let it stop you from starting because you don't have some. It's not the only means to start a business. Think of it this way. Doing something that wouldn't require you a considerable amount to begin with and generate money from there to use it on whatever you want to do. In a real sense, money is never an issue when you have time and skill. You can start with nothing. All you need is your passion. Number 3. I don't want the stress of entrepreneurship. Starting and supervising a business can be highly stressful. It typically signifies understanding the market, creating the right products to address the target market's needs, and having the skills needed to run the business. These activities can be very challenging, especially if things are not messing up. From problems raising money at some moments for the company to generating more sales and to finding distributors to the products. Number 4. Fear of failure. Starting a business is a significant risk. Sometimes you can't figure out if it will work or not. Many are afraid of commencing a business because of the looming fear that their businesses will fail. This may result from feelings of inadequacy, or they may have suffered past failures in their lives that they do not want to repeat the feeling with the real risk of loss in starting a new business. They may also feel incompetent and haunted by self-doubt that it will not work out. Moving forward, make sure you like this video since you're enjoying it. Number 5. Not driven to succeed. People actually have no big ambitions for themselves. Some are just content to live their lives peacefully, calmly, without any stress generated by starting a business. They have no revenue motive, and if money should be a motivator, they think that they can get it from their current jobs working within an institution rather than spearheading one. Lack of leadership is also another reason. If we are to face it, everyone in this world is not noted as a leader or a boss. For instance, there are queen bees and there are workaholics. If you can recognize yourself as an individual with leadership potential or someone who can be a tremendous worker, then that's when you can decide on the type of company that you can run. If you are not a leader, I mean a natural born leader, then hire someone in your business to run it effectively, such as a CEO, a director, project manager, or a general manager. The clue is to outsource your job back so you can get the job done quickly. Lacking leadership skills doesn't imply that you can't work for yourself and start your own company. Don't use this as an excuse if you find yourself in this situation. The key is to be skillful and to operate and hire people who can do the work you are not capable of doing. Number 7, lack of confidence. Whether you have a service-oriented company or product-producing one, existing in business means selling. Unfortunately, many people don't know or like to sell. They are coerced with the whole process of selling, particularly during negotiations with clients. People don't believe they have the gift of excellent sales. They fear denial, especially in terms of surveying clients. It's driving a lot of people away. Just believe you can do it. Don't let it turn your dreams down. Number 8, negative reviews from close people. Don't let your loved ones and friends try and talk you out of your ideas. It's something they'll always do because they do not have the guts to do the exact thing, and human nature just doesn't want them to see you achieve your goals, while they'll never have the strength and be encouraged enough to start their businesses. I've seen it around a couple of times, and this is another advanced course our network brings. Motivation. Listen to stories of others who have encountered similar obstacles. And hey, prove all the naysayers wrong that you can do it. Last on our list is choices. Most people have made the conscious decision to live with less, where they intentionally reduce their consumption and cash flow. Hence, they do not see starting a business and potentially any significant amount of money as supportive of the lifestyle they want to live. There's actually a difference between starting a business and just talking around it. Look at these reasons from afar and you realize they are not something you let discourage to begin. What else is stopping you from starting your business? Come on, comment it under the comment sections and we are going to respond to that. But moving past these blogs mentioned in this video, you'll be able to start the businesses you have always dreamed of. Yeah, go ahead, success is calling you. Go get that financial freedom. This is the end of today's video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye.